We're at the private island Norwegian cruise line, and for the first time, we don't have to tender. Like, that is amazing. Now, there's two boats out there that is actually tendering, but we didn't have to tender because they finally put a pier up, but only one ship. So I guess maybe we were the first ones. I don't know. Good morning. Oh, no, thank you. It's just for us. There go John. He's on the go. Now I have to walk, and he won't walk my pace. He just takes off. So this is all the work that they're doing. They got a whole big sign that says the Great Life over there. This is a long walk. Look at how they anchored the boat. Look how long the distance to anchor that boat. In this area, you'll find a Great Stirrup Cay sign with the background of the cruise ship. There are plenty of benches in the area, especially needed because that is a long walk from the cruise ship. There's a water park, Silver Cove Lagoon, and the beaches. Over yonder, there's a couple of cruise ships over there. I didn't see any tender boats at all. The bridge isn't even new.
On that one.
Right over the bridge, you will reach the first set of lounge chairs and the pool. This is Splash Harbor for the kids. It was nice outside, but I don't think it was nice enough to get in the water. They have a hot dog stand. It's not open yet because it's early in the morning. They have trams to take you to and from. I haven't been here in a while. This is really nice. There's several beach wheelchairs that you can use. They got pavilions for everybody to eat. They have a flea market that looks more organized and people coming up to you and randomly selling things. Trams all over. They even got Starbucks coffee out there. There was a lot of seating at 11 a.m. Food Pavilion. Bacardi. This is the bar area. Bacardi. I can't imagine sitting in this area and having zip liners zipping over my head. In this area, we have villas that look very comfortable. The entrance to the Vibe Beach Club, you have to pay an entry fee to get in. There's a colorful food truck that you have to pay to partake in the foods that's on that truck. Please like, subscribe, share, and comment, and I will see you on the next cruise.